If you love earth tone textured bundles that already feel coordinated and ready to use, keep watching. This 5-piece bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts builds into a much richer reveal as each piece comes forward. It includes a satiny twill. It's a close-up. It's the back. It's kind of a brushed feel. And a cream color that pairs really nicely with this cotton silk blend. This has different variations of the espresso brown color, ivory, beige kind of colors, cream colors. Same on the back as it is on the front. I like the variation in the weaves, the textures there. Okay, and this pairs really nicely with this fabric. Let's see how that looks together. Okay, and this piece is a herringbone, Chanel herringbone. Look at the texture. It's really nice. It has kind of a felt back. This is a soft fabric though. Let's build this out and see how this looks together. Okay. Different textures that look really nice together. Now this piece is a lighter weight. This is a raw silk in that cream color. Okay, see the texture? Same on the back. Okay, see some of the variations in the weave, which is typical of silk. Okay, let's pair that. Okay, see those together. And this piece is a lighter weight 100% linen. It's not a handkerchief linen, but it is a lighter weight linen, and it's in the dark espresso brown color. And as most linens, the front and back are the same, so either side will work. Okay, and let's put that with the bundle. Okay, look at all that. And just so you can see how well this looks next to the actual other piece with the brown in it, so you can see those browns really do work together. Okay, see how well that works together. And then they got the herringbone texture. Okay, and this bundle is ready for your next project. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.